you ever felt like your main paycheck just isn't stretching as far as it used to? You're definitely not alone. It's a really common feeling these days, with the cost of living seeming to creep up all the time, from groceries to gas. That one stream of income might feel a bit tight. It's not about working harder at your main job. It's about the economic landscape we're all navigating. Many people are looking for ways to add a little extra cushion to their bank accounts, gain a new skill, or even just explore a passion project that could also bring in some cash. There's this growing trend of building multiple income streams, and it makes a lot of sense. Think about it, relying on a single source of income is like standing on a one-legged stool. It might be stable for a while, but if something wobbles, it's a bit risky. Having a side hustle is like adding another leg to that stool, making everything feel more secure and balanced. It's about giving yourself options and a bit of financial breathing room. It can reduce stress and open up possibilities that might have seemed out of reach before. Whether that's saving for a big goal, paying off debt faster, or just having a little extra fun money without the guilt. So, what are some of these side hustles people are talking about? They really range from super simple to more involved. You could start with something you already have, like renting out a spare room or even your car when you're not using it. If you're crafty, platforms like Etsy make it easy to sell handmade goods, from jewelry to digital art. Are you great with words? Freelance writing, proofreading, or even managing social media for small businesses are in high demand. If you're more hands-on, services like pet sitting, dog walking, or local delivery can be a great way to earn money on your own schedule. The key is to find something that fits your lifestyle, skills, and interests. It doesn't have to be a massive commitment right away. You can start small, maybe just a few hours a week, and see how it goes. The beauty of a side hustle is the flexibility. It's your venture on your terms. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your financial future, one small step at a time, turning your spare time or a hidden talent into a tangible asset. If you want a clearer understanding of what's happening and why it develops, there's a detailed explanation available.